Here I have TECNO Camon 20 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to take screenshot on this device. So to do this, all you need to do is to just press combination of keys, power key plus volume up, volume down at the same time like this, and a screenshot will be taken. So easily. So let's show it one more time. Power key, volume down, and screenshot is taken. So one last time, volume down, power button, and we got it. You can find your screenshots in gallery, in the screenshots album, and here they are. And from here you can share, favorite, edit, delete your screenshots, or perform other actions from this list. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.